Hello friends, my name is Vaibhav Markar and today's date is 19 November 2021. Today I have discussed concepts of classes and objects. In objects, objects have states and behaviors. For example, a dog has states, colors, name, breed, as well as behaviors, wagging the tail, barking, eating. An object is an instance of a class. Class. A class can be defined as a template or blueprint that describes the behavior states that the objects of its types and supports. In objects, in objects, if we consider the real world, we can find many objects around us: cars, dogs, humans, etc. All these objects have a states and behaviors. If we have considered a dog, then its states is breed, color, and behavior is barking, wagging the tail, and running. If you compare the software object with the real world object, they have very similar characteristics. Software object also have a states and behavior. A software object state is stored in the fields. The software object states is stored in the field and behavior is shown via methods. So, in software development method separates on internal states of an object, and the object to object communication is done via method. So classes. A class is a blueprint from which individual objects are created. There are three types of variables. First one is local variable. Variables defined inside the method constructor or blocks are called as local variable. The variable will be declared and initialized within the method, and the variable will also destroyed when the method has completed. Second one is instant variable. Instance variable are variables within a class but outside any method. These variables are initialized when the class is initiated. Instant variable can be accessed from inside any method. And third one is class variable. Class variables are variable declared within a class outside any method with the basic keywords. Uh, Creating an object. As mentioned previously, a class provides the blueprints for objects. So basically, an object is created from a class. In Java, the new keywords is used to create new objects. There are three types of objects from their class. First one is declaration, a variable declaration with variable name with an object type. Second one is instantiation, the new keyword is used to create the object. And third one is initialization, the new keyword is followed a call to constructor. This call initializes the new objects. Thank you.